We have some big breaking news coming in. BJP delegation now reaches the Election Commission office. BJP complains against Mamata Banerjee over her Gherao CRPF remark. BJP urges the Election Commission to take action against Mamata Banerjee. Let's take a listen. BJP MP speaking up.
कोच बिहार जिले के शीतलकुची जो विधानसभा है, वहां सुबह सुबह अपना मतदान करने के लिए पहुंचा हमारे समर्थक था आनंद वर्मन जी। उनको मतदान केंद्र के लाइन में ही गोली मार दिया गया। 2 दिन पहले हमारे पश्चिम बंगाल के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का जो स्टेटमेंट आया, उसके बाद से जैसे आज की घटना घटी, ये बहुत बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण रहा। तो इसीलिए हम लोग कि आनंद वर्मन जी को लाइन के ऊपर क्यों गोली मारा गया और उनको न्याय मिले, और अगला चुनाव में 6ठा 7वां 8वां चुनाव जो फेज है, इसमें जैसे पहले का चुनाव हुआ ऐसे ही एकदम अच्छे ढंग से चुनाव हो, यही निवेदन लेके हम लोग चुनाव आयोग के पास आए थे।
Let me quickly cut across to Maushami Singh joining us live from Delhi. Maushami, here's the BJP already reached the doors of the Election Commission against Mamata Banerjee, accusing Mamata Banerjee of trying to instigate and provoke voters against the central forces, which is what resulted in the violence there in Cooch Behar. In fact, they're right there at the Election Commission's office. What more do we know in their appeal to the Election Commission against Mamata?
That's right. We are seeing a tug of war at the Election Commission's office right here in Kolkata, Nabila, where I am stationed. First, it was the Trinamool Congress that reached the Election Commission's doorstep, and clearly they were unsatisfied with the way the Election Commission perhaps assured them that the further investigations will take place. And the BJP has squarely pinned the blame on Mamata Banerjee. The BJP leader saying that we've told the Election Commission that the remark that Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, made, what's happened today is just a cascading effect of the remark that Mamata Banerjee did make, and it was a call, in fact, that led to the public snatching weapons from the central forces. And it also reminded the Trinamool Congress that the central forces were not under Amit Shah, not under the Prime Minister or the central government, but under the Election Commission instead. So clearly a full-out war has blown here in Kolkata after that incident, and both the parties knocked the Election Commission's door. The Election Commission in turn has said that it's waiting for the report from the district administration before it can take a final call.
Thank you very much, Maushami, for joining us with those details. Now let's take a quick listen to what Mamata Banerjee really had to actually say on the central forces and the violence in Cooch Behar.
সিআরপিএফ যদি গন্ডগোল করে, আমি আপনাদের মেয়েদের বলে দিচ্ছি, আপনারা ওদের ঘেরাও করে রাখবেন এক দল, আর এক দল ভোট দিতে যাবেন। এক দল ঘেরাও করবেন, এক দল ভোট দিতে যাবেন।
And TMC MP Derek O'Brien also spoke up against the BJP on the attacks. Here's what he said.
When you can't beat us fair and square, you shoot and kill. Mr. Modi, Mr. Shah, you are killers. At your command, the EC recently changed the DG of police in West Bengal, the ADG law and order, and even the superintendent of police of the area where the killings took place was recently changed. The buck stops with you. The buck stops with the EC. 5 dead. You both have blood on your hands.